guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have another unboxing. This is the adult version of the October box for Unplugged book box. If you had seen my last unboxing for Unplugged book box, that was the young adults box, and today I have the adults box here. So they are both options that they have every single month. There are two different options. It is the young adult and the adult. That just has to do with the topic of the book. So whether if it's going to be a young adults fiction book or an adults fiction book just kind of is geared to those age ranges, or the items in the box are also geared a little bit towards that specific age range. So this is going to be the adults, and if you were interested in the young adults, that is 2 videos ago that I posted. I do have a coupon code for you all this time. It applies for both the adult and the young adult. The curator for Unplugged book box just sent it to me and said I can offer it to you all in my video, and that is Cryptic 5. So I'll put that on the screen here and down below so you can get a discount on your first subscription. Just like my last video, I'm going to talk a little bit about what is in the boxes, just because I think it's important if you're interested in getting these, kind of an idea of what is inside. So it says on their website, Unplugged book box is a monthly subscription box focused on self-care with unique, exclusive self-care products that help you unplug and live in the moment. In each box, you're guaranteed a hand-picked new release book with offer, info, and swag. 5 to 7 unique and usable bookish self-care and novelty products such as candles, bath and body products, aromatherapy, tea, coffee, mugs, bags, blankets, glasses, games, and much more. There is theme info, self-care info, and or journal prompts. And also something to note about them is that they support small businesses and artists in every box, and they donate to classrooms and teachers, as well as disaster relief. And all the products sourced in the boxes are ethical and sustainable. So really a stand-up box, a stand-up company. I love when companies have these types of initiatives. So I think that's really important, especially when you're looking for a box that you want to support every single month. The adult and the young adult boxes both start at $39.99 a month. And if you wanted to pay in advance, the amount that it would have been for each box goes down. So you can pay in advance and get a little bit of a discount on each, or you could just do the $39.99 a month. I was so impressed with last month's box. Again, I totally recommend going and checking that out if you haven't already, but I thought it was really amazing. A lot of the items in the box are specifically for this box. It will say Unplugged book box right on it, or just say it was specifically made for the box. I think it's really nice when you could only get certain products in boxes that you get. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have the candle from the young adults box burning in the background. I thought I would light it because it is perfectly fitting, because I'm doing another Unplugged book box unboxing, and also the scent of it is like clove and spicy and just totally perfect because it's rainy outside and gloomy, and it's also the week of Halloween. So yeah, it was perfectly fitting, and I wanted to have that in the background. Just thought I'd let you guys know. But now I'm going to hop into this box. I'm so excited. I haven't looked again. As always, the first time I see anything inside boxes is when I unbox them with you all. So I'm just gonna hop in and see what's inside after taking a thumbnail picture, because I always forget to do that. Ta-da! Right on the top, I see, is this a bookcase? It looks like a book sleeve. This is really cool. Quote the Raven, nevermore. That is so, so awesome. I call it a bookcase. I'm pretty sure they're called book sleeves though. So I got this book. Is it a bookcase or a book sleeve? I don't know. I don't have any of these, so I clearly have no idea. I think this is super cool though. I do believe this is what you put your book in to keep it safe, especially if you're gonna be traveling with it. And I love the theme of this one because it's Edgar Allan Poe themed. There is some ravens flying in the background, some spidey webs, an outline negative space of a raven. I actually couldn't tell because I was so close to it, but like looking in the viewfinder, I could tell it's a raven. That's so cool. And then the back, it has the raven again, and it says, quote the Raven, nevermore. So that's really, really cool. I love that. Pretty nice. It's made out of felt, so we'll keep it nice and secure and padded and safe. Grief and death are a huge element in Poe's The Raven. The walls feel as though they are closing in as the speaker mourns Lenore. This exclusive book sleeve is from Team Unplugged. So that is the first item. Next, what does this say? Poor Yorick? Let's see. Alas, poor Yorick. Unplugged book box, glass skull bottle inspired by Hamlet. So this is what the box looks like. I'm wondering if this is going to be like a bottle with a cork on the top so you could put stuff in it, or if it's gonna be like a bottle that you drink out of. Ooh, this is cute. Ooh, I love this. It's a little bottle, like a crystal kind of glass with a little thing on top. Oof. So you could put essentially anything in here. I'm assuming. If you drink, I'm sure you could put like whiskey or like brandy in something like this. Bring it with you, like a little flask. I actually have, I'm just gonna go get it and show you because I think it matches super well. So I have this big size here. This is the Crystal Head vodka. If you guys have ever seen this in like Total Wine or in any type of like alcohol store, it is just vodka that's in a skeleton glass bottle head. Literally, I have this just because it was a skeleton head. I also love vodka. Vodka's my favorite alcohol that I drink with everything. I think I'll probably put them together on my shelf because right now this is just on my oddities shelf. I'm trying to fill it with something. I'm not really sure what I should fill it with. Maybe like sand from different places I go. I don't really know what I could fit in it that would look cool. So if you guys have any recommendations for me, let me know. But now I have this little baby. And again, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him either. I'd like to maybe do a pair now that I have two. That would look really cute together. But if you guys have any recommendations or ideas for me, let me know. So I got this cute little baby skull bottle. This is like a super secure lid too. Like this is not gonna fall out. So you can definitely put liquids in this. I would love to have like a snake or like some type of like wet specimen in these. I think that would look really cool. I don't know. The wheels are turning though.
The walls closed in on poor Yorick in Shakespeare's Hamlet. This exclusive skull can be used to store liquids. Think of Yorick as you sip from it. It's from Team Unplugged.
Next, oh, let me pull this out first. I should have probably shown this in the first place, but I have this. This is the little leaflet that comes in the box. It describes what everything is. So let me just talk about it now, even though I should have done that in the first place. It says adult fiction, the walls are closing in, October 2021. So it talks about the items that are in the box on this side, which I'm not gonna read, so don't spoil it for myself. There is a photo challenge where if you participate, you can win a free box. There are journal prompts for when you're overwhelmed, which I need those right about now. It's the week before Halloween right now. Halloween is on Sunday, and yeah, it's been really, really crazy. And I feel like this is the first day off I've had because I've just been doing so much lately. And I'm still doing stuff. I just always have stuff to do, which is great to be busy, but it also has been like very overwhelming this month in particular. So I could definitely use these journal prompts. And then there is a recipe for a poison apple cocktail. That's really, really nice actually. It's apple cider, pomegranate juice, and tequila. That sounds really nice. I'm gonna show you guys in case you are of age and would like to make this. On the back, there is a sneak peek of next month, so November sneak peek. It is Cozy Nights. So the theme for the adult fiction in November is Cozy Nights. Our coziest boxes of the year are coming. The November adult fiction box is an exciting mystery that you will want to cozy up with until the last page. November adult fiction featured fandoms include Outlander, The Night Circus, Phantom of the Opera, I love Phantom of the Opera, general bookish items, and more. Sneak peek, all November adult fiction boxes will have an exclusive blanket designed by Nathana Erica. I hope I didn't pronounce that incorrectly. That is the one that's on this is not the one that is going to be in the box, but that is really cool. I also have right here Sleepy Hollow soy wax candle. Ooh, I love that. Toasted marshmallow and smoldering woods. I almost just dropped it. My favorite candle ever is, well, not favorite ever. My favorite candle ever is Volcano that you can get at, what is it called? Anthropologie. Volcano from Anthropologie is one of my favorite scents in the whole world, but my favorite cozy scent is Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works, and this has marshmallows in it. It has that like sweetness, toasty, so sweet. Oh my gosh, there's a, I didn't even notice, there's a whole pumpkin on top. That is so cool. I wonder if the pumpkin has its own scent. Can I take it out? Ooh, I can take her out. I don't think you're supposed to, but that smells so nice. So on top of the candle, there was a little pumpkin, and also there are sparkles on it that I couldn't see before. So that is so cool. It smells so yummy. And I love Sleepy Hollow. I actually have a video on my channel where I talk about the legend of Sleepy Hollow, and I include footage from when I went to the Sleepy Hollow Cemetery because I visited Sleepy Hollow Cemetery when we were living down in that area. So I love it. The scent is really pretty. Super perfect for this time of year. And I also really like the font that they used for this. And if you can see in the top, it says Unplugged Book Box, and it literally was created for this box. That's what amazes me. Like literally everything is for this box.
Greed leads to too much to handle for Katrina and some of the others in Sleepy Hollow by Washington Irving. This exclusive candle has a pumpkin on top. Gently remove the pumpkin to use as a wax melt. It's a different scent than the candle. Or you can allow it to melt in your candle. Natural Pure Honest made this candle specifically for the box, and you can find them on Instagram at Natural Pure Honest or at naturalpurehonest.com.
Next, I don't even know what this is. I have a little kind of burlap bag. Ooh, is this a soap? Unplugged book box exclusive Hallows Eve Bright Side Organics Hallows Eve soap. There's olive oil, sunflower oil, no, safflower. There's olive oil, safflower oil, organic coconut oil, glycerin, purified water, lye, sugar, oat milk and oat protein, bergamot, juniper, cedarwood and fir needle, and cardamom essential oils blend. That smells so pretty. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It is one of those like massage bars, so it's just a bar soap, but it has these little nubs on it. So it will massage while you use it. Very like clean and like earthy, like it smells essential oily. You could tell it's an essential oil and not like a fragrance blend, which I personally like to use on my skin. And it just smells really like luxurious, like a very nice naturey spa type situation. So definitely love this.
Celebrate Halloween with this delightful massage soap. It's an exclusive by Brightside Organics, and you can find them at etsy.com/shop/brightside-organics.
Next I have this box, this mysterious brown box. Let's see what's inside. I see a screw. Is it something to hang potentially? Usually when there's one of these things, it means it's to hang on a wall. So that's really exciting. Ooh, that's so cute. It's a hook. Death is a mystery and burial is a secret. So it is a little coffin shaped hook that you'll hang on the wall. I love that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I love it. I was gonna say, I have something to hang my keys on, but I don't have something at my office to hang my keys on. That's one thing. Everybody in my office, for some reason, has been like decorating like crazy in their offices, and it looks so nice. It's like a little second home. And I don't decorate my office super like a lot. I have stuff on the walls and stuff, but maybe this would be nice to put my keys on in my office, because right now I kind of just throw them on my desk. So that might be cute. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I think it is so cute. It makes sense though, like we're at my office, like I'm in my office almost more than I am at home. So it makes sense why I should be decorating more. I did add a salt lamp to my office. I have some plants in there, my tapestries. I just really want to decorate a little bit more. So I think this would be really cute to put in my office and just like make those spooky vibes year round.
In Stephen King's Pet Sematary, we see a sense of grief coming every page, which can make it feel like the world is caving in. This exclusive wall hook is perfect to hang keys or clothes. It's an Unplugged exclusive.
Then of course we have the little sticker here. That is the author of the book's signature. I just think that is so cool. Immediately when I finished filming my last video for the young adults book, I immediately took the sticker off and put it on the inside cover because I think that was the perfect place for it. And I just think it's really cool to have like signed copies of books. Next, I have this little postcard, and there is a little Dear Reader on the back, but this is the front. I think it's really cute. It says, "Dear Reader, thank you for your interest in the summoning. Ever since I became a full-time writer many years ago, I've been thinking about writing about a medium. 2 movies had stayed with me before then, Seance on a Wet Afternoon and Don't Look Now. I think what I appreciated about both was how the audience sees how thin the tissue is between life and death, how easily someone can see and communicate with those they've lost, how readily others can be convinced that there is life after death. My main character, Kit Capriole, not only makes desperately needed money from donations to help defray medical costs for her daughter, but because of her acting skills, she also brings genuine comfort to her clients. And then one day, a man starts chatting with her at a bar and speaks of his wife's recent death. She thinks she has a new client until she discovers he's a detective with the NYPD and that she's being investigated. What did you do? What I most enjoyed in writing this was developing the character of Kit Capriole. The reader is never quite sure what to make of her. Is she a con artist who brings genuine comfort to the bereaved, or is she honestly in touch with the dead? There are a few other possibilities for her motivation, but I'll leave that up to you. So I hope you enjoy the summoning. The ghosts are out there this autumn. They're there. You just have to look for them. Hope you enjoy, JP." So that is the book. Let me get it out now and show you. It's wrapped in this little flannel packaging, which is so fitting, so fall-like. The summoning. Ooh, I love this cover. There are like mums on the front. by J.P. Smith, author of The Drowning, a dark and murky slow burn that will take you by surprise. So I love the imagery on the cover here. That's how thick this book is, so not too crazy of a read. And I'll read the back cover as well. It says, when it comes to contacting the dead, it's easy to go a step too far. Every year as the anniversary of 9/11 inches closer to the calendar, Kit Caparel scans the memorials published in the New York Times. It's a simple thing to look up a name and phone number, to reach out to surviving family members who might still be yearning for connection with their lost loved one, to offer assistance. After her husband went down in the North Tower, Kit scraped by as an actress, barely supporting herself and her daughter. But now Zoe's in the hospital, bills are due, and the acting work has dried up. Becoming a medium is almost too easy for someone used to pretending for a living, and desperate clients aren't hard to come by. Now, though, something has changed. The seances Kit holds in her apartment are starting to feel unsettlingly real, and the intriguing man she met at a local bar could be more complicated than he seems. As the voices of the dead grow louder in her head and the walls of her apartment close in, Kit realizes that despite her daughter's absence, she hasn't been quite as alone as she thought. That's creepy. So it sounds like this Kit person is pretending to be a medium at first just to kind of make money. And then they find out that they actually can potentially speak to the dead. So that's kind of interesting. Turn of events there. I just love this cover. It's so, so pretty. So let me pop this in. I will show you guys what it looks like when I put this on. I just popped her right in the top. And that is the book for this month. Super excited to get started on this. Oh, there's one more item. I'm stupid. Sorry, guys. There's one more item. It says Noemi Tonka red wine. Woo, room and linen spray. This is interesting. Let me open it up. Unplugged book box Noemi Tonka currant red wine secrets room and linen spray. One could construct 100 different narratives. It didn't make them true. Ooh, interesting. So directions: spray desired amount onto linens, clothes, or into a room for a clean, luxurious experience. Not intended for use on skin. Made in Warwick, Rhode Island. Very cool. So let me spray this and give it a whiff. That's so nice. It smells like fall without like obviously smelling like fall. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not like a pumpkin-y spice. It smells like crisp, like apple-y air. I don't know, it sounds weird, but it smells like crisp air. That is so nice. Like I'm kind of surprised at how much I like that scent. It smells like fall without trying to smell too much like fall.
The reader might feel overwhelmed while reading Mexican Gothic. Sylvia Moreno Garcia's expert storytelling creates a sense of fear as you read. This exclusive linen and room spray is by Petrichor Inc. for this box.
I'm about to wash the sheets on my bed too, and I'm definitely gonna finish it off with this spray. It smells really nice. Okay, I'm trying to think what my favorite thing in the box was, because it's hard. This is another really, really great box. I really am happy with everything. Again, I appreciate that a lot of the items are exclusive for Unplugged Book Box. I think that's a really, really cool concept and something that they incorporate into every box. And I think the book is really interesting, and I'm excited to learn a little bit more and read that and get back into reading fiction. So again, another really great box from Unplugged Book Box. I have the young adults version up on my channel as well if you wanted to check that out. I thought both of the October boxes were amazing and perfect for the theme. But that is it for today's video. If you are interested in Unplugged Book Box, I'll of course link everything down in the description box below, along with my coupon code Cryptic5. Definitely use that at checkout if you are a new subscriber to get some money off your box. And that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.